2025 Prelim RS School Paper 2, Question 4. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC and XY is a straight line. Find angle CDY. CDY. Now, this is the angle we are going to look for. Okay. Now, let's start off by finding this angle. Okay. Angle BAY is equals to, it's on a straight line XY, so let's take 180 minus 122. Okay, that will give us 58. So this is 58. Now can we find this angle? Yep. So angle ABY equals to 180, which is the sum of all angles in a triangle, minus away 58, minus away 53. That will give us 69 degrees. This is 69 degrees. Okay, now let me do a very quick recap. Okay, you have two parallel lines. Okay, call this AB, and this is DC. And you have one straight line that categorised. These alternate angles are the same, which means that if I extend the line here, this angle is 69 degrees. Okay, same as ABY. Now, one more thing, can we find this angle here? Yep, we can. Angle DYC. How do we find it? Can you see the straight line? Yep, we have a 53 and a 90. We can find the remaining angle. So 180 minus 90 minus 53. Okay, that will give us 37 degrees. Okay, this is 37. Now let me do one more recap. On the straight line, you have a triangle. Okay, this angle here is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So if this is A, this is B, this will be A plus B. Which means that this 69 here is the sum of this angle plus this angle. Okay, so now can we easily find angle CDY? Yep, let's take 69 minus away 37. That gives us 32 degrees. Right?